Hey everybody, it's Armin. Today I'm going to be cutting up a set of hood louvers for a Mk7 GTI. I designed this set of hood louvers specifically for this car, and they're now available on our website, arhindrichs.com/store. Pick up your set today. I designed this via 3D scanning the back of the hood, and we're going to be cutting out this shape here, as I'll put a picture on the screen. It uses the existing shape of the hood, so you don't need a template or anything. They are manufactured by LRB Speed, and they are anodized locally here in Houston, Texas. So I'm going to show you guys just how I do this. We already have the hood off of the car, obviously. I'm going to be using my usual tools of my air pencil grinder with my Dremel Easy Lock tool, obviously an air gun, and then a steel deburr, because these are steel hoods. If you've seen my other videos, I make a point that you need to use an aluminum deburr tool for the aluminum hoods. This one is steel. As you'll notice when you try to remove it, it's pretty heavy. But we're going to be using the steel deburr tool to deburr it after we're finished making our cuts. So, let's get to cutting. As you see, we've gotten the top face, or rather the structure piece out of the way. Notice that I cut all the webbing around here, and I'm going to cut about a 1/4 inch shallow in the center and then blend it outward. It doesn't matter if you cut it all the way flush. It really shouldn't matter on the backside, because I made the rivet positions to where they should be mostly hidden back here. Okay, so now based on this, we need to cut the exact same shape into the skin, but we're going to cut it obviously from the back side, since the front side just looks like a big flat hood. Okay, so as you see, I flipped it over and I just took out the small edges here. Now we're going to go ahead and deburr everything. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and check our fitment. So the cutout should at least follow the outer line of the vents. Let's see how I did. This goes here, that goes there. Great. So the cut left us just like maybe a millimeter or so on each side, on the left and right, and then that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and, like I said, let's deburr it around our edges here, and we can go ahead and get to drilling. So now we're going to go ahead and flip it over. I'm going to tape around the opening, and then we're going to match drill exactly where the holes are on the actual hood louvers. So I've got my tape on here, but before I do anything, I'm actually going to go ahead and bend the louvers into shape. That'll make sure that we're in the correct position, exactly where the louvers are going to land. So there's no chance. So if you accidentally cut really, really tight, you would rather know before you drill your holes and secure your louvers down to try and bend them, because then you're going to end up having to do some more cuts. So let's start by bending these guys. point out, I just drilled these all out to 3/16 of an inch. Some of them you do need to go all the way through to the bottom material as well, and that would be these 3. Looks like I went through these 4. The rest of these, there's actually recess behind them, so there's no need to drive all the way through. The rivets will fit. Now I'm going to use my countersink bit, and I'm going to smooth these edges up. First I should probably remove the tape, and then we can just rivet it on, and we're done. Well, that completes it there. Now successfully installed the set of hood louvers. I can go back and refine the positions of all of these guys now. You know, I just sort of willy-nilly bend them whenever I go to do them. So now we can refine that, but check it out. One set of hood louvers for your Golf GTI Mark 7. Again, pick them up on our website, arhindrichs.com/store. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.